Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo F21 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree and say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. Finish and let's try it. OK Google. Now if you have sure that it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Tap yes and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers, with a high of 22 and a low of 12.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.